In this video, I want to show you how to add map elements to map in SAGA GIS. So let's go to SAGA GIS. In SAGA GIS, I have this series of layers and I want to take it to map layouts and add some map elements to it. So to do that, let's add these layers to our layouts in SAGA GIS. To do that, just double click and select, for example, I want to add it to a new map. So I select the new map and click on OK. So here is my map in layout. Now I can restore it down and adjust it the way I want it to be, just like this. Yes. Now other layers, I want to add it or overlay it on this map. So what to do is to double click it and select this very map we are working with and click on OK. So it has been added, but because of the color you may not see this it as a line. Then also this river, I want to add it, just double click it and select that same map and click on OK. So you can see my rivers. Now what we want to do essentially is to show you how to add your map elements to map in SAGA GIS. After bringing in your layers or data in map view in SAGA GIS like this, to add, for example, north arrow, here is it. If you come to this toolbar, you can see north arrow. Just click on it and you can see it has been added. So of course you can edit it as deemed fit. Now if you want to add another map element, for example, let's say the scale, you can use the bar scale. Just click on it, you can see it has been added. You can see it here. And alternatively, if you want to add for example, let's say you want to add the graticals. So if you want to add graticals, just come to this map, right click it, and here you can see add graticals. Once you click on it, you can see that the gratical has been added to your map. To add map title, you can do that. You can add all other map elements as deemed fit. You can even customize it, add the other details or metadata to your map. So essentially, this is how to add map elements to your map in SAGA GIS. So, and if you right click here, you can see all the map elements you have enabled here. You can see the scale bar has been enabled, the north arrow has been enabled, and also we have added the gratical to it. So this is how to add map elements to map in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.